Hey YouTube, my name is Chris and this is a quick recap for today, April 19th, 2022 in under 5 minutes. Now this is solely focused on the Nasdaq 100 futures and let's get right to it. So the NQ Daily right here, this is a chart we look at every single day. And we have a signal right now that's a long signal that fired off on April the 12th. Now, the market has kind of been going sideways since that signal fired right there with a base support of 13,729 on the chart right here. Now, this filter, which has been very accurate at tracking the cyclical moves of the Nasdaq on a swing trade basis, on a daily basis, is very close to touching the zero line. Now, should this cross below the zero line, there's a very good likelihood that we may experience selling tomorrow, April 20th, or perhaps sideways trading. So this is going to be something very important for us to watch right there. Now, as far as the AI-driven strategies, guys, I've got two of them right here. They both fired off very good signals throughout the course of the day. This got 3 out of 3. This one did as well right here. So these were very robust throughout this trading day, but this is not the one I'm going to showcase that actually nailed a 325 point move today in the market. Before I get to that though, let me show you the correlated trade setup right here. Now this is correlated with the 10-year treasury. So as the 10-year treasury declines, the Nasdaq goes up. There's a correlation with that. Now I wanted to see how it played out with the with crude oil, and same thing. Crude oil went down, Nasdaq went up. Look at that. Amazing, right? So the strategy is based off of this, off the 10-year treasury. Now I could flip them and have crude oil in here in place of the treasury and have that correlated, but it's going to play out basically the same right there, the way you're looking at now on the screen. So moving forward, guys, I developed a new indicator right here, which is very sensitive to determining when the momentum trade ends. And this afternoon, after the market was flat for a considerable period of time, look, the market was flat this whole entire time before it popped right there. This perfectly caught right when it popped, and it went, and boom, right about 1:45 in the afternoon when it crossed the zero line, that was the end of the trade. Then it went sideways and boom, down right there. Now, the one strategy that caught a 325 point move was this bad boy right here. This fired a long signal at 9:45 in the morning to go in at 13,875, and it didn't close till 1600 at the closing bell at 14.2. So now you guys do the math. 14.2 minus 13,875. That's a 325 point move off of this one strategy alone right there. Now, I want you to notice something real interesting too. The market went sideways for a considerable period of time. You could have taken this trade right here, exited right there, and waited for the market just to go sideways like crazy, and then right here re-entered the trade again, and boom, made the balance of your profits for the end of the day, which is exactly how I traded this, and that's exactly how I made the money I did today, which was over $3,500 trading the Nasdaq 100 futures. So that was my day. Hope you guys had a good one as well. That's all I've got for you today, and we'll see you guys again this Thursday at 12:30 Eastern Time.